So I'm starting the Mexican vegetable soup. I'm really excited about this soup because it's colorful and I think it's going to have a great flavor. So I've got the oil, the peppers, the jalapeno peppers, the onion, and a little bit of salt in this pan, and I'm going to saute it for 5 minutes. About medium heat. It's looking good already. Okay, friends, this is looking really, really good. We're going to add the garlic and the spices, and we're just going to give that a stir for about a minute. This is where the whole house starts to smell really, really good. Our Asian friends understand that heating up the spices without liquid toasts them a little bit and gives them a really good flavor. So that's looking pretty good. The spices are starting to stick a little bit in the bottom of the pan. We're going to add the diced tomatoes, the green chilies, and our broth. So my vegetable broth is simply vegetable bouillon cubes that have been reconstituted in water. Give that a stir. It's looking good, but I think it's going to get even better. Okay, we're going to turn the heat up on that and bring it to a boil. Once it starts to boil, I'm going to cover it, turn the heat down, but keep it at a simmer and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. Okay, it's been 10 minutes. We're going to take the top off and see how this soup is doing. Oh, it's looking good. Give it a stir. We're going to add the black beans. And the corn. I'm using corn that I cut off the cob last fall. That gives it some nice color. And the zucchini. This would be a good soup to make in the summer when the zucchini is prolific. All right, it's almost done. We're going to let this cook for another 15 minutes with the cover on. We'll check the zucchini to make sure that it's tender. Check it for seasonings, and then maybe have a taste test. Okay, let's see where we are. I uncovered this after about 5 minutes to check on its progress, and it was, it had more broth than I like. I like a thicker, denser soup, so I took the cover off and let it simmer for a little bit without the cover on. I amended the recipe to show that I think it's a good idea to cook it a little bit with the cover off. Not only does it take off some of the broth, it makes the whole house smell really, really wonderful. All right, so we're going to give this a taste test. Let's see what it looks like first. Yeah, nice color. All right. It certainly smells really, really good. All right. I'm going to top my soup with a little bit of sour cream. And some lime. Nice big squirt of fresh lime. and cilantro. So not everybody likes cilantro, especially people who are super tasters. So it's good to keep that as an addition for people to add as they so choose. Let's see what this tastes like. Yes, that's a good choice.